Hi guys, this is Ryan Holleen from Seaport Spine. Today we're going to give you a movement tool. It's a way to decrease stress on the low back when you have to pick up light objects off the floor. So it's called the golfer's pickup. Gym goers know this as a single leg deadlift. It's the same movement pattern. It's so named, you may have noticed, because every time a golfer sinks a putt on the golf course, they go to pick up the golf ball, they do this type movement pattern here. So to break it down, basically, the leg stays straight. You don't want to bend the leg like this. You want to think about kind of keeping the leg straight and pushing the heel away. And this leg is the counterweight to the upper body. And they move in sync. So as the leg goes back, as the upper body goes down, the leg goes back. And they sort of move in sync like this. And you're not going to flex the low back like this, rounding out your low back. You're going to keep a neutral spine in the low back, neutral lumbar spine. And you're just going to bend by moving about the hip. So again, it just looks like this. If you're having trouble with balance, if there's a chair or table in the area, you can put your hand there, and that should help you with balance for this movement. So when would you use this? It's okay sporadically to use a bending and reaching or a toe touch type pattern, but if you have to do this, if you have to pick up a light object off the floor repeatedly, you're going to want to use this golfer's pickup movement tool. So I'll give you an example. Springtime, you're playing tennis for the first time in months and months and months, and all of a sudden you have to pick a tennis ball up off the ground 100 times. In that situation, you're definitely going to want to use the golfer's pickup instead of a toe touch type movement pattern. So also, back pain individuals, these basic movement tools are very helpful to decrease stress on the low back. Other examples of activities involving things low to the ground or low to the ground activities, if you have to pick up a heavy object, say this backpack weighed about 40 pounds, you want to use a hip hinge or a deadlift type pattern. Looks like this. That would be much better than rounding your low back and picking it up. If you're doing laundry, instead of kind of bending and reaching into the laundry machine, employ a lunge movement pattern like this, and then you would grab the clothes, throw them into the basket, and then back up. So basic movement tools, golfer's pickup, hopefully helpful. Thank you.